What's up everyone, it's James here. Welcome back to another video. Since the last video, all of you seen Rose took delivery of his new Golf R. So today we're gonna do some changes to his car, and it's sort of like a mini modification series. So why not, let's go downstairs and take a look what the guys.
What's up everybody, it's Rose. I'm gonna install AW exhaust on my new baby, the Golf R.
It's not your new baby.
It is.
No.
I told my wife this car can carry a baby seat, so she bought it for me. See? Baby in car. Legit. So as you can see, all the parts are laid on the floor. And the four sexy tip.
That's bigger than yours.
No, it's shorter.
No.
Mine's longer.
No, I don't think so.
6 inch of wood.